Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. Today's video is kind of a nostalgic trip. I tried to fix this Game Boy, this played loud. The hobby with fixing stuff started with this, as not exactly this device, but with a Game Boy. Yeah, this started all the passion for fixing things, all things retro. Yeah, so in today's video I'm trying to fix this, and now without any more waffle, let's get started. So first things first, let's take a closer look. The battery terminal is not too bad. A little corrosion here and here. Yeah, the shell looks pretty rough. Here's some glue residue. Also here, that's not original, I think. It's pretty spotty here. Yeah. The case doesn't close too good here. So I put batteries in and try it. Let's turn it on. There is a light. But no picture. So let's see. There are screws missing. Here's a screw missing. The screw is loose. Okay. This looks okay. Yeah. Now take a look at... Oh, I think I know where the problem is. You see here, the motherboard the PCB is broken. And this looks like glue. Oh, and the speaker is missing. Okay, so I remove the PCB and then we take a closer look. Ah, there are so many screws. On this screw. I hope I can get this out. This doesn't look too good, you see. This one. Oh, I forgot how many screws there are. But at least the screen looks to be okay. And there's one. I can see some hot glue here. And this, yeah, someone tried to fix this So now let's take a closer look. Oh yeah, here the PCB is broken. And there is this capacitor here. Maybe there is a continuity problem. There surely is. I zoom in a little. So, for reference, I have the PCB of a working one. So I can see where it goes. Okay, so it's this cap here. I think these are the only two here where we might have continuity problems. So let's test here where these go to. So this seems to go down here, here. Oh, this goes to the speaker. Okay. Let's verify that. Yes, it does. And with the broken one, let's see. And no, there is no continuity. So we have to run a botch wire here. So in this one, let's remove the screen here. And let's check where this goes. You have to be very careful. Here's the connector. So let's see. It goes up here to the ribbon connector. So let's see. Is it this pin? No. Oh, it's this pin. Let's see if we have continuity here. I doubt it. And no. It should connect to this. And it doesn't. So we have to run two botch wires. So that's nice and solid. Or maybe first I put a speaker in. Here I have a speaker. It's an aftermarket speaker, but you can still buy these. This was in use already. I forgot to press record. So here is the first wire. Here is the botch wire. It's a little thick, but I hope it works. So now we have connection. So now the other one. So that's that. So we should have continuity from here to here. Yeah. I verified on the good one. From here to here. Okay. And the second botch wire should go from here to here. Okay. So for this I'm going to take a little more flexible cable. Two. The second one, this should be this one. So little flux. How long does this have to be like this? I think put in one screw here just to hold it together for testing. So. Does this clear? It kind of does. I zoom out for a test. Yeah, hear sound in the picture. Yeah. Let's put a game in. Yeah, much nicer contrast. I put this back together and then we test it for good. So guys, it's back together. Final test. Yeah, this thing is in really rough shape, but now it's fully working. The screen is not the best anymore. It's pretty faded. And the sound is pretty quiet, but I think it's okay. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This one for me was a back to the roots one, so I really like the Game Boy. So I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe there was something useful for you in it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye!